I'm gonna kind of do some experimental stuff with some sand and epoxy and try to create a good seal. Just gonna take the bottom out right now. Eventually we'll do all kinds of other modifications to this. But it had a crack. I attempted to fix it with some Bondo, and it just, it didn't hold up because the weight would just open the crack up again. So we'll use the Sawzall and start with it. This is the fun part. You get the idea. Alright, got some of my demo tools. Starting out just right here with a little rectangle or triangle area, just kind of getting in there. Could have all kinds of water up under here. So foam we got up there. They have the linoleum all the way through. Alright, now the whole half part should come up. Alright, it lips up under me because you can see here. Right, we definitely have water that's been getting on the side. There's ants there because of that. At all. Decided I'm going to have to take the sides off. Alright, this is what we've got so far. Definitely got this everywhere where ants and all that wall, so that's gonna come out. At this point, so water, you can see the purple staining on the linoleum. Water's been going all down. Got some areas here. Thinking about doing something with some brick, maybe going over it with some epoxy. Lining the walls with some sort of maybe some char paper or something like that, or some of the newer stuff that they use now, that fiber plastic stuff. And do the same thing under here. I've got different materials like some tar to kind of waterproof this. After I redo the floor, I've got the concrete board. Just several ideas. I've also got some tile that I might end up putting in here as well. I might end up putting the shower head coming straight down. But this is the time to make the changes. Well, we got it all